Hierdie is 'n baie fuck.
Like, oh, it's so beautiful. Wow.
Let me show you guys. I have to wash this, sand this. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, you feel me? So basically today I'm gonna be painting. All I'm gonna do is paint. Same thing as last video. I don't know why I didn't record more than that, but I hope you guys enjoyed that video. But today I have to paint. Fuck, I have to show you what I have to paint because I forget names of that shit. I also have to paint the rear axle. Need to put in the springs onto the shocks to see how it's gonna look. And I have to do other shit. But now I'm just gonna show you guys Marius polishing this shit, sanding it down so that it can look clean. Because he's doing that for the paint. Let me show you guys. I have to wash this, sand this, so that I can paint it black. All of these have to end up like this. Exactly like that. Have to clean those, sand them down. Same process as everything that I'm painting here. These, they look perfectly. Oh, it looks beautiful. These left it on here because I don't know why I left it here, but I don't want to redo this process because I don't have a tool that can make it happen faster. But these don't look as good as those. I can't even lie. I will not lie, they don't. And yeah, I think that's all I'm doing. That doesn't sound like a lot, but it feels like it's gonna be a lot. Those you guys saw in the last video, these are painted, looking very good. I'm also have to sand this down, paint it again, so that it can look good. This is the paint we use usually. Oh shit, I bought another black. But this is the paint we usually use. Rust Oleum, Painter's Touch. This is the primer. Oh shit, I bought primer instead of paint. I fucked up. Alright, bad guys, so what you just saw, Mario was basically teaching me how to use this. So now I'm gonna clear out this table, put all of these boxes here so I can kind of work on the table, because that's the only place I can work where I can put the camera in the proper angle to watch me.
Mooi vir alles. Hierdie is 'n baie fucking beter job as die vorige nou gedoen het.
Like, I hope you can self that, but the mechanics of the engineers did this. Feel how soft that is. Just don't cut yourself.
Ooh.
No, that's fucking shit. Sneaky, so.
En wat ek op dele moet doen is, hierdie was vir 'n kaap gewees.
Ja.
So ek gaan hierdie plugs moet uithaal.
Dis netjies. Van nou daar, dit is oeslang gevat hier.
Is die vorige battery voltage, and then this is the fuel. It's air to fuel ratio. So see as I rev it where the fuel picks up.
What is the blue line is for fuel?
That's the fuel map that's currently loaded onto it. So it just shows where its position is on the car. So if I hold it up a bit, see, and it's idling really low, like 600 RPM. Then you can get the same for ignition.
The reason I love using machine instead of hands is because look how proper now it looks. My hand was not gonna do. Let me show you what my hand did. This is what my hand did. I hope you guys can see that. But yeah, this is what I did with my hand, and this is what the machine did. So much cleaner. So now I'm gonna paint these. Remember the process from the last video? That's what I'm doing in this video. I'm supposed to paint this pink, but I might go red because the whole engine bay is gonna be red. I might go red. Late night out, finally we both done with exams and shit like that.
Why you gotta show me in a vulnerable ass position?
You've been gone, you know, you've been studying. I'm happy for you. But now, are you back?
Yeah.
Are you back? Are you back?
Yeah. Hey, bro, I'm tired.
I don't understand. Your eyes look like.
Yeah. It's been a minute. I'm back. I'm done with exams and shit, like I've been saying. Yeah. They're keeping me up to date and shit.
He always knew he was up to date. He was just busy. That's
Yeah, but since I've been gone, I'm just doing the sanding.
I bet, guys. I already showed you this shit. I don't know why I'm showing you again. But you guys saw me. I was painting these. And that was like a whole 30 to an hour ago. I painted those ones too up there. Marius gave me this idea. I don't know why I didn't use this instead of using that, but either way, it's fine. Right now, I already told you guys what we were gonna do, and we're gonna do that. These, we're gonna work on them tomorrow, because we kind of worked on them mad late, and hitting this shit out was gonna make a lot of noise. Yeah, a lot of noise. A lot of noise. So now we're doing things that we really can't do, like sanding this whole thing, getting it painted. I will show you guys the before and after once it's painted. But this is how it looks now. He's finally back. I'm glad, man.
It's not between fucking like more about the average guy studies to work for someone.
This is the VW logo. You guys don't see it, but I might get a permanent marker and make that shit look good. But hopefully when it dries, you see it, because it looks like it's too like it's a thick ass layer. I bet today's the next day. I'm sure you guys remember us working mad late, but I'm gonna show you guys every part that we resprayed because my phone died and I couldn't record shit yesterday. After we started painting things like this, let me show you. This, I'm gonna show you guys the before and after first. But this is how it looks now. It is so clean now. I am actually so happy. I just hate the fact that I don't have a better iPhone, because now I can't show you guys this in cinematic, because that would have showed you guys how clean this is. But yeah, obviously we said we were gonna paint it, but like this part still didn't want to get out. That's why we only have it on the side. These bits here were getting eaten, that's why we didn't take this one out. But yeah, this is how it looks. And then I showed you guys that we're gonna respray this. Everything is dry. At least we can start. I don't know start what, but we're gonna start. All of these are also dry. Or should I go paint that one? Paint it now. I bet I wanna paint this and these, because as you can see we painted them like this, which means under they're not painted. They're basically like this everywhere under. So I'm gonna flip them and paint them. I just wanted them to dry so I can flip them. But yeah.